If you're on the hunt for a new construction home here in Las Vegas, then continue watching. Today's property walkthrough is going to be at the Alpine Ridge community built by Tri Pointe Homes. Now let's get started. All right guys, welcome to Alpine Ridge. This plan model is 2745 square feet. This is plan 3. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage, single story. This specific elevation is starting price at $599,000. There's 3 different elevations that you can choose from. All right, let's walk in. All right, right when you get to the front, you have the desert landscaping that's gonna be included. You'll have your pavers on the driveway and in the walkthrough as well. We are currently in a cul-de-sac here. We'll do a home tour with that one, and that one I'll leave the cards above, so stay tuned for those. But let's walk in right here. So this specific model, you'll have a walkthrough. You have the Ring doorbell. Not sure if that's gonna be fully included with this plan, but right here, as you're walking through the gate, you'll have your courtyard. Okay, you have your pavers right here in the walkway. Looks like you're gonna have this as an option, which is the sliding door. Let's walk into the home. Now, these Tri Pointe homes is my favorite, to be honest. They have the best designers for any of the new builds out here in this community. You have the left side of the house and you have the right, but let's start off in the great room. Now, when you walk into the great room, right here to the right, you're gonna have this TV display. You'll have this as an option for the fireplace. They consider this the electric fireplace in the great room, but this whole thing right here is gonna be an upgrade. That's not gonna be included on your base price. When you walk towards the kitchen, you have a large island right here. There's the wine fridge right here. You won't get this particular fridge, the commercial size, but you know, obviously this is a model home. You have a built-in microwave, you have a built-in oven, and this is the pantry. These are pretty nice cabinets. It's something different. I haven't seen this before on these homes, but that's very nice. You get the quartz countertop with the single basin sink. You got the black faucets with the osmosis system. You get the dishwasher as well. That's a GE brand. Check this out, guys. Look at how nice this whole entire kitchen looks. You got the stainless steel hood on top with the 5 stovetop burner, okay? Nicely done. So they put a lot of details into this home. You got a large window right here by your kitchen sink. Here's another view. And this would be your dining area. And this would come standard with the sliding door. But right here, this would be an option to have a stacked sliding door. You do get a large backyard as well. Check this out. Okay, as we exit right here, you get a large patio cover right there. And look at how large this backyard, guys, is. Pretty neat. You get the outside look. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Click on the card above so you guys can check out the other plans that I have for this community. All right, let's walk into the primary bedroom. To the right of that, you'll have your storage space right here. Now check this out, guys. Check out this primary bedroom. Look how large this is. It smells so good in here. All right, and then you get these large windows that overlook your backyard. Check this backyard out. Okay, and look at that. The barn door for this bathroom, that's super dope. I'm sure a lot of you guys like that. And then you get this super shower. This super shower is an option for a spa and shower for the primary bath. But look at the design of this. You get the overhead rain shower right there. Nice backsplash. Then you get your double vanity sink. Look at the lights that they chose for this and the mirrors. And then when you walk towards the back, you get your toilet right here and your large walk-in closet. But look, check this out, guys. The large walk-in closet right here, you do get an attached entrance right here with the washer dryer. Okay. This would be extra as an option with your sink. You get the cabinets. No washer dryer included, but the cabinets right here. Now let's walk towards the left side of the house. You get the storage right here. But this is probably gonna be one of my favorite parts to show you guys of the house. Let's start off with the bathroom. This is a full bathroom with the shower tub combo. That's prefabricated, okay? Then you have the second bedroom. Nice closet right here. My favorite part of the house. So you have a sliding door right here, and then this would be your lounge. Okay, this is like what they consider the super lounge, but this is the Gen Smart Suite, guys. The Gen Smart Suite is like a home within a home. Similar to the ones I already had on my channel, they call this one particularly is a Gen Smart Suite. Look at this, you have your full bath, you have your sink, toilet, then you have your stand-up walk-in shower. But you get your washer dryer stacked right here, okay? You have your own living space, and then you have a little kitchenette right here. There's a wine cooler, you have your shelving, you have a faucet with a little mini sink, and your cabinetry. But look at that, it's another bedroom. Check out this bedroom, guys. And your closet. What? That is pretty neat. Love it. Do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn that notification bell so you guys are gonna be the first ones to learn anytime I do any of these home tours. See, when you exit that room, you have this sliding area back to your courtyard, and that's your front gate. All right guys, that's gonna conclude it for this particular model. If you guys do like this video, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know, turn on that notification bell so you guys are always informed whenever I do any of these home tours. All right, I'll see you guys at the next video.